what is up my friends, I'm up with a quick and little Zara sale haul today. Like as you can tell by the title, honestly I didn't want to shop in Zara this summer because they are so expensive, but boy, Zara sale is so good, so I couldn't resist and ended up buying or making my hands on some of their pieces, like as you can tell from the title. So I thought to share the pieces with you all. Hopefully you thumbs up the video and subscribe my channel if you have not already yet. And with that being said, let's get into the haul now. Alright, so like as you can tell, I have opened my box already, and the first piece I have picked up from Zara is an oversized linen shirt. Like as you can see, I really love the oversized fit and a nice blue good quality linen shirt, so thought to grab it, and it seems like really nice quality. I cannot tell until I wear it. Anyways, I really love a good quality, nice and soft linen shirt, and this button down shirt from Zara picked it up all that I wanted, so had to grab them. And you guys, you cannot go wrong with a blue linen shirt when it is summer because they are so worth having in your wardrobe, so I had to grab them. And I have got this shirt, what is this, cotton piece, dressed in linen. Okay, I have got this in the size small, and yeah, not sure what to say more. Let me try this on and I show you. Alright, so this is how it looks. Seems like I should have gone for a size down, and extra small would have been best, I guess. Though it is an oversized shirt, looks like really big on me, maybe meant to be. I will see if I could get an extra small size. Other than that, fabric is really nice and soft to wear, hopefully, and I can make a most of it in summer, so happy to get it. Alright, so next up is a linen blazer, linen matching blazer with my trousers. I picked it up just to have a matching set from Zara, and as the blazer is also a linen blazer, so thought could be perfect for summer to style. Not sure for the weather I live in. Anyways, I loved it. It's cropped, which is great really, and it comes with a kind of tortoise shell button. So if you like, you can button it up also, and if you don't, just keep it open, like whatever you like. And seems like really lightweight also, and I think they are lightly padded on both shoulders, which is great. And I have got this blazer in the size small, so luckily I have got my size at least for the cropped blazer. Oh, okay, let me show you it nicely, or you can see it even better when I show you on the try on. And yeah, not sure what to tell more about this blazer. Just a nice and good quality blazer from Zara. I really love the blazer, so light and comes with shoulder pads like I told you. I can wear it in summer, hopefully. I'm literally sweating, but it is really nice, so I want to keep them and could be perfect for my weather in autumn. Not sure. Alright, so next up I have got is a full-length linen trousers from Zara. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say, but they are really nice and I really love them, so I had to grab them. Really love them for summer. So, and they seem to be beige color, I think light beige, which is great. These being neutral color, I can make a lot of wear out of them. during the summer time or year round, even in autumn or winter wear, because this is neutral, so you can make a lot of wear out of them. And yeah, like I said, and they seem to be lightweight also, which is great for summertime honestly. And I have got them in the size medium as I couldn't get my size available. Hopefully they fit me. I have to check. Anyways, I don't know why they look creased. Can you see on camera? I don't know, but they look creased. Even though Zara sent me a big box, I don't know how, but whatever, never mind. I love them, and lately I have been into totally in like full length trousers ever since I bought that black trouser from H&M. If you have watched my H&M haul, you already know. I will link it here or show a pop-up so you can know which piece I'm talking about. Anyways, and yeah, like as I just told you, I picked it up as a matching set, this trouser and this blazer. Let me try them on and I show you how they fit me. Hopefully they fit me. I really love them and want to keep them, so let's try them on. Anyways, so this is how these two pieces look together, and I'm so happy and want to keep them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, please. Okay, so this is how the trouser fits me. Really love the quality, but this being full length, it's extremely long on me, so needs to be altered at the length. Loose on waistline also, that is expected, as I couldn't get small size and picked up medium size, and I'm not sure if I can make it worthy with a belt. Otherwise that I have to wait and see if I can get the small size. I really love them, and I'm really into full length trousers lately, ever since I bought the black trouser from H&M. So I really want to keep them. What do you guys think?